So I'll start off with the wallet. In the last video I had the Maxpedition Micro. That didn't work out too good. But since then I've been trying out a few other wallets. The Spec Ops. Not sure what model that is. Tried that wallet. Maxpedition Rat. Tried that one. And I went back to the CMC wallet, but out of all of those wallets I went back to the Urban. I just really like this wallet and I'm going to be sticking with that from now on, I guess. Flashlight is still the Olight Maverick M10. Only thing that's going to be changing about this is the pouch. It's really starting to fall apart now. The threads are coming loose and it's fraying everywhere. But I've had it for 3 years, so I'm not going to complain about that. So that's the flashlight. The watch has changed. This is the Casio SGW 100. It's got a compass with a thermometer. Besides that, it's just got the usual wheel time, stopwatch, timer, alarm. That's pretty much it. And a light. So that's the new watch. So the keychain's changed a little bit. I got a little bit more crap on here than usual. I put the Gerber short back on. Spyderco Honeybee still on there. The Phoenix NW20 whistle. And the Exotac Nano Striker XL. Held onto the belt with the Maxpedition keeper. And that's pretty much the keys. Maxpedition Acantha pen. One of my favourite pens and it goes everywhere I go. So pocket knife, I'm going back to the Ottomesser dry kneading messer. Which is a very nice knife. So that's it for normal everyday gear, but for work I will change the Ottomesser for a Tops ALRT. So that's the new work knife for this month. Well, it's not new, I've had it for a while now, but that's what I'm changing to for this month. Multi-tool is going to be the Gerber M600, which is still by far one of my favourite multi-tools. So that is it for my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching and goodbye.